My name is Lowell Allen. I'm the Senior Vice President of Manufacturing for the Rodon Group in Hatfield, Pennsylvania. And I've been employed here for 40 years now.
My name's Tony Hoffman. I'm the facility manager at the Rodon Group. Lowell and I both started seeing a little bit of what Baxter could do and knew that we needed a robot downstream. I mean, all our beam robots are on presses. There's always going to be a need for a robot by the conveyor belt, one robot working along with another. The fact that Baxter could work alongside human beings in a safe manner was huge.
The difference between a Baxter type of robot and a traditional style robot is Baxter's a lot more flexible. He can easily move from press to press. To do that with a traditional style robot takes forklift and a bunch of guys and a bunch of hours to try and do that.
We work 24/7 here, 3 shifts. A lot of things happen during that time, but to be able to, midstream in a job, be able to stop, and for a human being to be able to move him and reprogram him to do something else, and then again and again and again, I think that's huge.
And the thing that was impressive with Baxter was that no guarding's needed. And it's a true collaborative robot in that it can work alongside a person. And the hope is that the person who Baxter's working alongside can also train him. And you don't need a $100,000 a year programmer writing lines of code to program a Baxter. Those were 2 areas that really got our attention.
The servo robot is very unforgiving if somebody's in the way when it's moving. It's not going to know you're there, and it's dangerous. The significance of Baxter being able to do all those things and somebody being able to walk by or stop him and look at, or QC personnel checking on the parts that Baxter's handling, that's the big difference. Right there is the safety.
The general sense is nobody feels it's threatening their jobs. They think it's really bringing jobs back for us. There's several jobs that might be in China if not for technology like Baxter.
I feel that people working with Baxter will get a huge boost in that they're around the latest technology and learning more and more about it.
We're used to full servo robots requiring about $65,000 worth of capital, perhaps another $10,000 in end-of-arm tooling. And for a safe, efficient robot that starts at $22,000, that will certainly get your attention.
The learning experience with Baxter that we've seen was a shock. They couldn't believe how easy it was.
To find that Baxter was made here is big, because that's what we're all about. We're part of American Made Matters. The more money we can keep here, the more product we can keep here, is the more jobs that we can keep here in this country and build the economy back up. Technology is our big tool in this country. It's what we have to use to compete.